So welcome back to the channel. I hope you are absolutely fine and sound. In this video, I'm going to share you an amazing opportunity that is a paid internship from DRDO. We're covering everything in detail, so make sure to like the video, subscribe the channel, and just share the video with everyone. We are talking about the DRDO PXE internship. So what is it? If you are currently pursuing final year engineering, okay, you are an undergraduate student and pursuing the final year engineering over here, and the most important thing is that you are currently in 7th and 8th semester. Here it means that you need to belong to any of the college, means it not necessary that you are from Chandipur only. You can be from IIT Delhi also, or maybe from another tier 3 colleges also. You can apply for this opportunity. It is open for all the final undergraduate engineering students. Okay, these are the disciplines which can apply over here, like CS, ECE, IN, mechanical engineering, and you'll be getting a stipend of 5,000 per month for entire 6 months. The location will be Chandipur, Balasore. Now, what is the procedure? What you have to do? You can see this is the address. Okay, you have to fill the particular application form. We'll come to that also, and you have to just mention on the envelope. Means here is no online method. You have to just speed post or courier whatever you like in that particular address. Okay, the required documents includes the appendix A, appendix B. So it will contains the fully form over there, and second, a request letter which you have to get it signed from your college dean or principal. Okay, they will be just filling the details and adding a stamp over there approving that you are a student. Okay, so you have to just take the help from them and just attest the letters. Okay, you have to attest these things also. That is your mark sheet for all semester, Aadhaar card and college ID. Okay, you have to just photocopy it and just sign over there. And you have to add a brief biodata, and if you have won any awards or professional memberships, you can just mention over there. So what are the qualification required? You must be pursuing 7th and 8th semester. Second most important thing is that you must have a good academic record. Means out of 10 you should have at least 7.5 CGPA on all the previous semester. Age limit is 28 years as of 1st May 2026, and the duration of the internship is already 6 months. Okay, selection will be done based on multiple methods, like you have filled the form correctly and posted it. Okay, and then they'll either call you online or offline for interview or interaction period, and then you'll be notified through email. Okay, through email you'll be notified, and then you'll be asked to sign the bond also that you'll be completing this particular internship. The most important thing is that they won't be providing any lodging expenses. Okay, so you have to just book it yourself, means related to food and how you'll be just living over there, and transportation cost will be bared by you. So all these things I've mentioned, they will be giving you certificates. More things will be there. Okay, documents at the time of joining: Aadhaar card, mark sheets, college ID, no objection certificate, police verification record from the local police station. So these things are normal things. If you need any other help, if you got selected, you can just comment down. I'll just make a video for that also. Now let's come to the application form. This is the application form. You have to fill in block letters, that is capital letters, all the things you have to mention over there, and then you have to sign over here. This is the second one, that you have to just add a reference number, or I think it will be just ask your dean. They will be able to guide you, or any senior. You have to just share these details, fill it, and just get it signed and attach over there. So these are the things. If you are interested in other events, other opportunities, other swag related events, you can just check out the channel. We have covered multiple things out here. Thank you guys, have a great day ahead. Do like the video and just subscribe the channel.